Hey guys, it's Laura and welcome to day 7 of the Gratitude Art Journal challenge that I have been hosting with Haley. It is the last day of this week-long challenge and the prompt for today is love. And in this prompt, I'm going to be showing you a couple of my favorite techniques. One is layering. And you can see I'm starting off with my photograph there, and then I have a piece of vellum, and then I'm going to go through some different patterned papers that I could possibly layer up behind my photo. And one of my favorite things to do with this technique is to actually rip my paper so it has jagged edges when I am layering it with my photographs. I think that makes it look really messy and handmade and a really fun way to mat your photographs as opposed to always having those square, clean lines that you would get with a paper trimmer or a pair of scissors. So this side of my page comes together very, very quickly. I end up deciding to use this cream with gold foil polka dot paper as the background for my photograph. And I'm just gonna cut that down or tear it down to be about the size of the vellum that I have there to go behind my photograph. And then I'm gonna end up layering it all up and then using my double-sided tape to put it all together. And then I add a gold paper clip to the stack of little papers in my photograph here. And I love that element too. And the little paper clip here, that's from my wild hair kits for November. And actually, a ton of the pages that I made this month were using my wild hair kits. I think this gratitude art journal was one of the main projects that I did this month. So I used a lot of my wild hair kit doing that. And I love how that makes the whole art journal look kind of cohesive. And it goes together, even though I've got lots of different themes going on within how I'm practicing gratitude throughout the month. So I get that down on my page, and then I'm going to fussy cut out some stickers that I had printed from some digital files that I had. And digital files are one of my favorite things. I love buying kits and elements and icons and project life cards, all the things digitally. And then I can print them out as much as I want and resize them however big or small I want and use them as much as I want. So that's a pretty brilliant way, in my opinion, to have some craft supplies is to do it digitally, especially if you have an at-home printer where you can print things easily at your own house. So I'm fussy cutting out some cute little flowers that I have, and I just printed these on matte white sticker paper, and I really like how they turned out. I especially love that white daisy. And please excuse my voice in this video. It's changing a lot and going up and down and in and out. I've been struggling with feeling really sick or allergic this month. I seem to be having allergy attacks like fairly regularly. So my throat's kind of sore and clogged up and hard for me to speak with all of the itching going on around my face currently. But I finish off this page with some cute little leaf stickers from a Me and My Big Ideas sticker book. And then I have these cute little black phrases that I cut out from the free printable that Haley has on her blog for this art journal challenge that she co-hosted with me. And that sums up this page. And because I felt like it wasn't very technique heavy, I'm actually going to go ahead and do another page in this video and show you a technique that I've just started getting into that I am really, really excited about. And that is pattern making. But first, I've got to show you a close-up of this half of the page. And as you can see, I didn't do any journaling, which is abnormal for me. I just kind of let the photo do the talking, and that is my love. We've been together for 5.5 years, so I let that do the talking. And I love this photograph that we had taken together at a professional photo session that I had got for us. Love those pictures. They're really cute. And now I'm going to move on to the second page, and you can see I have this discarded photo paper here where my printer went haywire and printed the photograph all wrong. And instead of just like throwing away that paper, I'm going to repurpose it. And I'm just taking some acrylic paint and some not fancy paintbrushes at all. And I'm just going to paint out some flowers freehand. And I'm not great at this. This is actually my first time ever pattern making like this. And I love it. I think it's absolutely beautiful, but I want to encourage you to try new things if you've never done it. You don't have to be an expert. You don't even have to know what you're doing. Just give it a try like I've done here, and you could come up with something really beautiful that you actually like. So you can see I'm freehand painting some different flowers and then also some different leaves and stems. I just used acrylic paint and it dried fairly quickly. And then I'm going to cut all of those little elements out and put them over to the side of my desk. And then I'm going to start layering them onto the paper next to the photograph of my guy and I and see what kind of pattern I can come up with that I like. I truly have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going for it. So I hope that encourages you to try something new in your art journal and try a new technique that you've never done before, and you might end up absolutely loving it like I did. Now I'm just layering everything up on my page, and there's really not a whole lot of rhyme or reason to this. I'm just seeing what works and what I like and what I don't like, and then rearranging from there. And you can see it's starting to get dark outside, so the quality of the video goes downhill here, but I hope this gives you a good idea at a really fun art journaling technique that you can try, and how to make your own like custom patterned paper. I think that's really cool. And I'm just layering all these different flowers up and these leaves around my page until I get something that I really like. And in the end, I super love it. It doesn't match the left-hand side of my page super awesomely, but that's okay. I end up putting a page in between them in the final result. And you can see a flip through of this final art journal over on my channel. I will be sharing that as well today. And if you want to learn more fun art journaling stuff from me, as well as learning some self-confidence and how to repair your relationship with your body and really love and accept your body, check out my Body Love Art Journal class. I will link that down below, as well as Haley's channel, who is co-hosting with me. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.